Me. I have to pee, get up. I'm gonna pee, get up. I have to pee, I'm gonna piss.
No, I need to watch
well, Mr. Moose says, shut up. It's coming.
You said no.
Did you say rape? Mr. Moose is gonna come all over you, Jessica.
Ew.
You're just rude.
Ew. What? Wait, what should we talk about now?
You don't know me like that. Maybe I do.
Or even more. What?
You sounded like...
Don't touch the Chinese skeleton.
Anna, he picked my nose.
You made her like barf.
It's happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Still
Poke its eyes out. Just kidding. I'll eat your face.
I'll eat your...
my face. Je... Next time the pillow won't be in front of your face. You don't want that, do you?
What?
Falling!
That's scaring me.
So you put your leg up. You're making me sweaty. You're making me sweaty.
Oh, wow.
Not sweaty like that.
Sure.
I'm out of the shot.
What is wrong with your hair? It's your mom's wrong to hair. What?
Go for it. I'm joking.
On your mom's. Doesn't make sense, but yeah. Stop burning.
Who said rape? I just kidding.
Oh
Come. Rape. You said rape. Me and Justice at the same time.
Ew.
Where? Where? Me and Justice at the same time said, I hate soul.
Thumbs up.
Might want to fix that chair.
It's fixed enough, man. Only if I turn that way.
Yeah.
Hell.
There we go. I think. My fingers are stuck.
What time is it?
I don't know. Time to go to bed. Or time to get a what?
Probably 5 in the morning.
Time. I don't know. 5:16.
Okay, we should like go to bed.
PM. I was kidding.
Oh, the Simpsons are on.
Oh, yes.
At 5 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
Channel 2 or 49?
AM.
Actually, I thought it was PM.
No, I knew it was just.
Sure.
Why is that burnt
What's for it?
right above the wheel?
Because
I
your
don't
mother.
know.
Oh. I don't know.
My mom didn't come here.
Ew, come.
What? I'm not sure what you're doing. Okay, Please stop this now. It's like it's watching.
Earthquake!
Yeah, shake it. It's the earthquake.
Stop walking around.
I don't
Jessica.
stop it. I don't stop it.
Oh, God.
Oh, it can be a dance.
Say bye-bye. We're 6 gone.
Go ahead. See how stupid it is.
Oh,
Ooh, it's so tall.
Oh, no, this is weird.